Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about the new ROG Flow X16 2022, a versatile device. One of the best things I have loved about this laptop is the bezel-less screen with a 16:10 screen aspect ratio. No other laptops will give this much lesser bezels. I already said that this is a versatile device that can be used for many purposes like gaming, editing, and really better for office works. The design is very sleek like ROG Zephyrus models G14 and G15 having a familiar body and keyboard designs, but X-Flow 16 is really slimmer than the other models. You can easily rotate your laptop screen according to your purpose. It has a 360 degree of rotation. The laptop is entirely built with an AMD processor and RTX GeForce graphics. There are totally 3 variants in ROG X-Flow 16. The 3 variants having same AMD Ryzen 9 6900HS mobile processors, 8 core 16 threads with a maximum clock boost of 4.9 GHz. The basic variant comes with GeForce RTX 3050 Ti and the middle variant with RTX 3050, and the higher end comes with RTX 3070 Ti laptop GPUs. Asus called this display as ROG Nebula HDR display and also with an insane 164Hz touchscreen panel, which is really excellently placed here. This laptop also gives us a gaming laptop filled with Auro Sync RGB keyboard and with an overall thickness of 1.94 cm, which is really slimmer. You can connect ROG XT Mobile 2022. This year they launched new model, an external GPU. This is an external GPU that only supports ROG X-Flow series. And X16 is powered with Windows 11 Pro. Also, I just said that Apple has an ambient ODB cooling system with many different cooling solutions are provided inside. So there will be very less fan noise while doing heavy load projects like editing videos, rendering heavy projects. The cooling exhaust design looks very clean and professional. You can see in the backside of the laptop. Ryzen 9 6800HS is one of the most AMD's powerful CPU. It almost killed the Intel Core i7 11800H processor. Ryzen plays very well in benchmark performances, single core performances as well as multi-core, and power efficiency is also really good. In this 2022 models, all the laptops comes with a mux switch, we already know that. But in this laptop, Asus said that Optimus mux switch is there, so there is no need to swap between integrated and external GPUs. It will do automatically according to the situations. Asus really impressed everyone with its designs and its overall performances. Also, we didn't expect this kind of heavy lineups by Asus. Each and every laptop they are released till now is really great with awesome improvements. Their lineups are really great. Okay, let's talk about more about in the future. Stay connected. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Manoj and this is VTuber MK.